Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. Good morning, happy Monday guys, and I hope that your week this week guys is filled with wins and also, we live to see another day. So yeah guys, thank you for always tuning in. Remember to subscribe to the channel guys if you guys are not already subscribed, and also you can follow me on other platforms at Fanika TV, but on Facebook you can find me at Erica Shackelford. So yeah guys, today it's in the morning, so I'm just gonna be making some breakfast, just like show you guys what I eat in the mornings majority of the time. So I'm gonna make some oats porridge and eat it with some bread and stuff. So that is what I'm gonna be having for breakfast today, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Right, the sun is out, it's so beautiful. From me I tell you guys, from the new year begin, for where I'm living in Jamaica, we have been getting non-stop rain, constant rain right through. But today we get a beautiful day, and I hope it stays like this, you know so yeah guys, stay tuned, and remember guys to hit those post notification bells so that as I post a video you will get notified. So let's begin the video. Stay tuned. All right guys, just to give you guys an idea of the items that I'm going to be using on for my porridge this morning. So I'm using some Fosco oats. Yes, I really love oats porridge guys, and it's really healthy. It's good if you have constipation and so we are using some Fosco oats today. Yeah, I couldn't get the surge milk. It was not in the supermarket that I went to yesterday. I'm not 100% sure, but most of the time when you go in the supermarket, the shelves are empty because people really love their surge milk. That's why when I go in the supermarket, I normally buy 3. So guess I got this true milk. It tastes really good, just as nice as the surge milk. But if I had a preference, I would have taken the surge milk. And we can't make a porridge without with Betty. Yes, I'm gonna have my Betty condensed milk. Me not go put it in, me I go put it pan. Me all I go see me when I go see how me use it for the porridge. So yeah guys, stay tuned. Stay tuned guys, and remember to subscribe to the channel if you are not already subscribed. We're on the road to 30,000 subscribers. Yeah. Yeah guys, so me I go add some sugar to the pot, just like bowl. 3 full spoon. A regular spoon. Okay. I think we need more sugar than that. I don't want it too sweet. I don't want it too sweet, guys. I'm gonna put a little bit of, I mean, not egg powder there. Already. Anyway, I'm gonna put little cinnamon in it with the sugar, just to make it cook different. Cause you know, when it start boil up now, we're gonna add other stuff. So make them just still in there, and let's wait on it to come to a boil, and then we're gonna add the other stuff that, although everything we're gonna add now was see it. So yeah, guys. Hey guys, so meanwhile the water boil up, we're gonna throw out some of the oats what we are gonna use for something there. Hey guys, this can cook bowl like 1 3 time. More leap time. So we just gonna throw out with I don't want it too thin and I don't want it too thick. But more what this will do. I know say oats or something must fail. And that I look too much too. I don't know why me and always have to push things enough. Alright guys, so I'm gonna add some water. Just add some water to it. And mix it. Guys, some water. So this is the amount of oats I'm using, guys. I think it can go in a pot now. I'll get in a pot and stuff. So yeah guys, that's what we're doing. You know, see my kita boil up like want if you boil rapid, guys. See my come out and everything in but in a boil. The way I want if you boil up. Want it boil up, boil up. So me now go. Seems like it's boiling up now, so we're gonna get the oats in. Let me look on it first. Yeah, it's a boil. It's boiling. Before I put in the oats in it, guys, I just want to flavor up the water with some of the spices. So I'm gonna be using the rose and almond. I don't know, I just like forgetting all of those things in and make them boil before I put the oats in. So you know the oats get the flavor and everything as well. So I'm just gonna put some of this. I already put cinnamon in it and nutmeg to boil with the sugar. So I'm gonna get some mixed spice in it as well. Just to then boil up with it. You know, we have some rose water, almond, you know, so we'll get some of that in our porridge as well. So yeah, I'm already put cinnamon in it as well. So if you guys didn't see, because I don't have the leaf, me used to have one cinnamon tree run at the back, but me don't know, it just something did that, man, it turn over. So we don't have that anymore. So I just, so now guys, when everything is boiled, I go add in my oats now and get it ready. And I hope you guys like the way how I cook this thing, but me just like when the flavor them go in before the oats. So yeah, the only thing after the oats supposed to be the milk for me. That's just me. Normally me I use coconut milk as well in the porridge, but you know it kind of a little bit strong for my stomach, you know, so that's why I'm not using any coconut milk today. But normally I would use it because you know it just give a more milky porridge. So yeah guys, stay tuned. Guys, I have to keep on and mix and stuff because the porridge and it will boil over. When it boil over, that's the end of the porridge. Like the whole strength and taste of the porridge, no good again. It tastes good. So you have to keep on and mix it. That's everything cook, all of the oats cook and stuff. Just I'll give a couple more minutes on the fire because you know say oats and already cook already, so I don't have to really do too much. If you make it cook like if me I cook the caramel, but I'll give like one more, like about 5 minutes more, and then I add the milk in it. So stay tuned, guys. Yeah. And if you reach this far in the video, you're a real OG. Guys, the sun is really up. Me not complain about the sun because from what day we never ever get the sun. So I'm really happy for the sun. So we not complain about the sun. So yeah, guys, we not complain about the sun. No way. No way I'm complaining about the sun. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna be adding the milk in it right now. So yeah, guys, I love the smell that I'm getting from it. Like it's really, it don't really smell good. I'm not really a good porridge maker, but I feel like the porridge, yeah, me I can enjoy it. So yeah. Hey, let's see. I'll add in. You feel the milk? I'm gonna put a good amount of milk in there. Not too much, because it's gonna make it something watery. Just mix it up. You have to make it milk cook. Yeah. My porridge no white, you know. My porridge no white, because I put all the spice in it. You know white, but yeah, right. I think we need enough milk. So I'll make it boil a little more. True milk. Yeah, guys, so I'm feeling really proud of this porridge, guys. The first time I ever make porridge, it is too salty, and that when I have, like, me just did have my second son, so he loved porridge, so I used to boil porridge every morning and stuff for them, but my first son always drink the porridge, no matter how it tastes. My first son I drink it, but you see my last son, like my second boy, if the porridge is not nice, he just have it in his mouth and he push it to the side like, mommy, that one is not nice. But my first son, you can't really know when the porridge is nice for him because he might drink it regardless. So me, I don't really want professional when making porridge. But porridge ain't always spoiled. Either I get lumpy, it's too sweet. Me put matter of fact, I'm gonna get some salt in this, guys. When you're boiling your porridge, you have to add salt to it because the salt brings up the taste of everything that you put in there. Thank God me attack. Never remember nothing about the salt. Yeah, either it's too fresh. You know, there's a lot of things that is always not in my porridge. So I feel like I'm really proud of this porridge that I'm making today, and I feel like it's going to have the taste that I love because I love porridge. Like, I love porridge. Like, that's something for me that I drink every day if I could, right? Not if I could, but if my mother make it, I would drink it every day. So yeah, guys, I'll add some salt to my porridge and get back to you guys next time. You guys see me, you're gonna be seeing me eating my porridge. So stay tuned. So the porridge is finished. I want to show you guys. Show you it's hot. It's hot same way. Let's go until you can see it good. Yeah, guys. So it's hot. Yeah, it's really hot. So I'll make it cool. I'll make it cool. It's the end of another video, guys. When I'm eating the porridge, I'm gonna make that as a separate video. Or matter of fact, I don't even know because the sun is so hot. I don't know if I'll even eat it on camera. I'm not sure. Anyway, guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, and you can also find me on other platforms. I'm on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, I'm on TikTok as well. You can find me at TikTok at FanikaLKG. Remember to subscribe to the channel, guys. We're on the road to 30,000 subscribers. So yeah. Thank you for always tuning in. I hope you guys enjoy this video because my porridge turned out good. I like the look of it, the color, everything. I'm love the smell. So yeah guys, we're gonna enjoy this porridge with some bread. Yeah.